Chop, dice, mince. You see that all the time in a cookbook, but you need to know the difference between what is chop, what is dice, and what is mince. And that way, you'll be able to follow any recipe in a cookbook. Chopped means a larger cut, and usually chop means an uneven larger cut, like this. That's chopped. Next, we're gonna dice. Dice is a smaller cut, and it is very even, or as even as you can get it. Starting with fennel and carrots, the great start to any soup stock. And that's a dice. Next is mincing. What does it mean? Cut it as tiny as you can get it. And that's mincing garlic.